Hello, Miss Roxy Doxy. Are you taking care of the critters? Are you taking care of the critters? You get over there and snuggle up in the hay like they are. Look at that. They're snuggled up. Snuggled up together. Keep them warm. Hello, girls. Hello, girls. We keep shooting these little snow videos, don't we, Rox? Don't worry, I'll let you back in the house in just a smidge. Just a little bit. Yep. It's been snowing all night and all morning. Just stopped. We were in the middle of garden cleanup and actually making some pretty good forward progress. And it snowed again. So, yeah, that's been pushed back on the to-do list for a little minute. This is where it all started 2 years ago. Crazy, huh? Yep, got a little more cleaning up done. Need to do more filling in the beds and top dressing. But we're making steady progress. And I sowed some seeds out here. Oh, two weeks ago, a week and a half ago, something like that. But we've had 2 cold snaps. So that hasn't happened. Look at all these. Look at all these. What is all this? Is this the ducks? Man, they cover a lot of miles. Lots and lots of little duck tracks all over the place. Look at it. Crazy. Crazy. Look at them. Over there on the other side of the garden. I'll show you guys. Hang on. Snow is coming down so heavy it's 10 feet up underneath the roof. Look at the ducks. Just chilling out. All of where you see those breaks in the snow, that's from the ducks walking a million miles. Got a little bit of soil, hot water. First time, yeah. Getting some babies started. Don't look too close. We're experimenting, trying all kinds of new things on the homestead. Can't tell what's in there, but I'll give you a hint. It's our very first soil blocks. Yeah. Brought in a little cabinet. Need to clean it up for storage. Got all our seeds starting stuff. List is growing. Yeah. Yep. It's a mess. Work in progress. Stuff's happening. We're doing it. I like to let my water set out so it's close to natural as possible. This is what we got left to sow for indoors for our first round of planting. Oh, look at the baby carrots. That's just because I need to see something green. These guys and gals up here, we're just waiting for them to do their magic. Yeah, I can't wait to crack into this one in a couple of days and see how she does. And we got our taters, growing eyes. About ready to cut those bad boys up and let them start drying out so they can be ready around St. Patty's Day to get into the ground. Wish I had a lot more, but we have what we have. We'll do what we'll do. Yeah. And incubator's half full. Making progress.